Da-da-da! Let's. Woo! Before checking out, I'll just show you how the outside is. Hi guys, welcome to the Hotel Elgin room review. Da-da-da! Look at the beautiful bed. This hotel is a heritage hotel. You know, they have preserved how the colonial architecture looked like, and the old hotel that they took over from, they preserved the entire, look and feel. They haven't changed much. Beautiful bed, as you can see. And I'm going to do the bed test very soon, but I just wanted to show you how the entire room looks like. They've got a nice couch over there. They've got a small TV. They've got a nice little bar. I think it's empty. Nice space to, hang your clothes. They have some fancy slippers for you to wear and go to the restroom. And the restroom looks really good too. Look at this. Very, very colonial, very heritage style restroom. Nice shower. I like this marble finish. Very nice. This is all sealed up. So let's see how it looks. I love the look and feel. It's pretty nice. Do they have the bum gun too? Oh yeah, this is South Asia. Of course they have the bum gun. Now is the main thing. How is the bed, guys? That's the most important thing. So let's woo. Woo. Oh my God! After that entire day of going around Darjeeling, discovering Darjeeling, I want to just lie down over here and sleep. But no, I need to show you more stuff. So we are going to tour the hotel and show you more stuff around the hotel, because the hotel is a beautiful, beautiful hotel. I want to show you that. So it's the Elgin, guys. It's about 11,000 rupees for the room. So it's a little bit over, it's about $130 per night, which is not bad for a hotel like this. It's a really, really luxury hotel. And it has got spa, it has everything. I definitely recommend this place if you're in Darjeeling. I stayed in like 4 places. So I will actually do a vlog about just rating the hotels that I stayed in. And I will tell you the good and bad for each hotel. But for now, this is a great hotel. I think this is the best hotel I stayed till now in Darjeeling. No question about that. Look at this. Look at the mirrors. This just looks of grandeur. This is grandeur, guys. And it has got that old Darjeeling colonial palatial, because a lot of the Maharajas and the Zamindars had their, basically the feudal lords had their summer homes over here. So you have that kind of architecture over here. You can see that. And this is just beautiful. I'm loving it, but I'm going to show you the rest of the hotel very soon. So at the dinner, so decided to come down and have some dinner at the hotel. Wow, look at how gorgeous the table settings are. So I ordered some chicken curry, chicken kosher, and some roti, and I will tell you how it tastes, and I'll show you how it looks when it comes. So really excited, really waiting for the food, and this gorgeous setting. How beautiful it is. So guys, the food has arrived. This is the chili with onions, lemon. This is the chicken kosher musho, which is a Bengali favorite. There's some nice rotis over here. Piping hot rotis. They look really good. So can't wait to dig in, guys. Just waiting for the food. Now let's just dig in. Wow, guys, look at this. I'm going to put some onions and some lemon and put it in here. Now let's see how it tastes. There you go, guys. Fresh rotis, guys. And now with some chicken, this is how it looks. Let's eat. Oh my God, this is so delicious. It's not spicy at all, but the aroma and the lightness of the flavor is just fantastic. This is bursting in the mouth. It's awesome. Some roti. Excellent. Some of these chilies as well. Oh my god, that has some spice. That heat is good. This heat is so good, guys. The meat is so fresh, it just falls off the bone. It's so good. All in all, this hotel has just outdone itself. The rooms, the food, out of this world. So guys, that entire dinner, which is the roti, the chicken, which was just delicious, was about 732 rupees, which is about $9. So that's super reasonable at a 5-star hotel like this, and with a gorgeous view like this, and a gorgeous ambience like this, and great service, great staff. Can't get anything better. So I definitely recommend this place. If you're in Darjeeling, definitely come to the Elgin. So guys, came for a nightcap at the bar. Look at how beautiful it is. Lots of single malt. A place like this, an evening like this, you need a single malt to just relax over here and just soak up this ambience. It's just fabulous. So cheers. Love it. Absolutely love it. Good morning, guys. Just woke up to this beautiful view. Look at this beautiful view from my room. This is amazing. That's sort of the mist kind of lifting up from the mountains. It's about 7:30 in the morning, and look at the view. And that's kind of the patio area. That's another patio kind of area. What a beautiful view, guys. This hotel is just amazing. I love it. I would love to get up in the morning every day with that view, guys. It's just amazing. I had such a great time over here. I'll be checking out today. So before checking out, I'll just show you how the outside is a little bit. I hope you're enjoying the video. And if you're enjoying it, please support me by hitting the subscribe button. And do not forget to hit that bell icon because more videos are coming. Thank you so much. Thank you for all your support. Hi guys. So this is the outside in the morning. Look at how beautiful it is. It's just a beautiful, beautiful property. This was, I think, built in the 1800s, 1857 or something like that. It was owned by one of the Maharajas. I think it was Maharaja Burdwan or Kuch Bihar owned this place. The British came and bought it from him, something like this. I'm not very sure about the history, but look at this. What I love is the management has kept the property as is. They haven't made any changes, no nothing, and the grandeur of this place is just breathtaking, and with the views, with this whole architecture is exactly kept the same way. And so basically they have two wings. That's one of the wings, and this is the other one. I was staying at this wing. This is where they had the bar, the dinner area, the reception, and also the living quarters. That's where I was. And then that's the second area. That's where I showed you last night, the Tenzing Norgay area of the building. Tenzing Norgay, who was one of the first, actually he is the first one with Edmund Hillary who climbed Mount Everest. And look at how gorgeous that place is. This building is, it's kept as is. Nothing has changed. They haven't changed anything over here, and look at the view from here. This is just fabulous. This whole place is so peaceful. It feels like you are in the hills and you are like very zen-like. That's the word that I was looking for, is the zen-like feeling, that kind of you have transcended beyond everything. So that's how I feel. And this is of course kind of a lounge area. You can come chill, get a cup of coffee, get a cup of tea, and just relax and enjoy that beautiful view. Unfortunately, that view is kind of blocked by the fog, which has been the case for the last couple of days that I was here. But on a clear day, you would have probably seen the mountains over there, and that's another area where you can just kind of chill over there, lounge, have your breakfast, have your tea. It's just beautiful, guys. So having said that, I'm going to end this video today. Hope you're enjoying my journey. Let's do more videos and welcome to my channel. Bye.